Good afternoon and welcome to EDAD 610, Instructional Leadership. My name is Dr. Teresa Pedersen and I am a new full-time faculty member in both the online graduate programs and the undergraduate education department at Northwestern College. I earned my doctorate in educational leadership at Liberty University, and I have been working for the Department of Defense Education Activity as a special education teacher leader and department chairperson, most recently for the last 6 years in Germany. In fact, I am moving from Germany to Orange City, Iowa this week. So prayers for a smooth transition would be appreciated. In my 21 years in education, I have worked as a pre-K to 12th grade special educator, a 5th grade general education teacher, a school principal, an instructional coach, a community college instructor, and an adjunct instructor, teacher in residence at a university in Illinois. My husband is a civilian psychologist with the U.S. Army, and he did that after his 20 years of active duty service. Our daughter Grace is going to be a freshman at George Washington University in Washington, D.C., and she is studying international relations and government. This week, you are going to notice inside the Blackboard course that you will start under the Course Information tab. You will find the syllabus and a roadmap of the course. Each week, you will be completing assignments located under the Content section of Blackboard. All the assignments for Module 1, Role of the Principal as an Instructional Leader, are due by July 5th at 11:59. Because of the holiday, I will accept all assignments up until July 6th at 11:59 with no penalty. You will introduce yourself to the class in an initial post. Many of you have already done this, and it is due before Wednesday at 11:59. You will reply to 2 class members' posts prior to the deadline. Step-by-step directions are available on Blackboard if this is your first course with a discussion board. I am excited to read so many interesting posts already. Keep checking back to keep the discussion going. You will complete readings and a graphic organizer to synthesize your understanding of the content and post a reflection to the discussion board. Post on Wednesday or Thursday so that you will have time to reply to 2 of your classmates. I will use the rubric that to grade each post and challenge you to do high quality work. Please remember that you do have to have sources within your discussion posts with the exception of the introduction post. I really like the questions being posed in this course, and I hope that you will use the discussion board to build relationships with your classmates and share your wide range of experiences with each other. I will also participate in the discussion board, responding to your posts and possibly asking questions for clarification. Finally, you will be asked to begin thinking about the action plan, which is the major assignment for this course. The rubric for the project is in the syllabus. You will complete an initial sketch. Please let me know if you require more time for this assignment. With the holiday ahead, it might be tough to reach your administrators if you need to do so. So you have the automatic extension until July 6th at 11:59. However, after that, there is a penalty for late work of 10% per day for the first 4 days. I will waive this penalty for this assignment only if you contact me this week for an extension because you haven't been able to speak to people at your school. I am here to support your educational goals. Please do not hesitate to reach for me if you have a question or a concern. Each week, I will share a Bible verse with the class. I am committed to praying for you each day by name, and I would be honored to pray for a specific prayer request if you would like to email me with it. So the verse for the week is Psalm 78:72. So he shepherded them according to the integrity of his heart and guided them with his skillful hands. David was a leader who did excellent work, and he had the people in mind, earning respect from those that he was called to lead. It takes both to lead well. Do you lead and follow with integrity? Do you work well with your skills that you have and then look to improve those skills? I will pray for each of you that not only are you developing skill of hand around instructional leadership this term, but also lead others as you live a life with integrity of heart. Have a fabulous week.